Hello, my name is Jill. I've been on the program now for 7 weeks and I've lost a total of 12 kilos and 39 centimetres all up. I'm very happy so far with my weight loss. I've got way to go yet, but it's not really all that hard to follow, and the good thing is if you're going out with friends, you can still have a meal that fits easily into the program. I'm feeling a lot more energetic and not as tired as I was, and certainly as soon as you start to lose a bit of weight you feel a lot more motivated. But I'd recommend the program. It's really been good for me so far.